Welcome to On Chemistry. Always try to do your best. Now, let us see about 100 conversion in organic chemistry. We are seeing it as episodes. This is the episode number 49. If you didn't watch previous episode, I encourage you to go and see. Here, we solve 5 problems step by step. Stay tuned. Let us see the question number 1. The starting metal is long chain alkyl system with many carbons. There conjugated double bond is there. Isolated double bond also there, and one functional group COOMe also there. Here you are using the temperature. They ask you to find the product. 4 products are given. Mostly 4 products are differ in the stereochemistry. The alkene position is same, only differ in the stereochemistry. From the question you have to understand that ring closure is definitely occur and stereochemistry also matters here. The answer is A. Let us see how. The starting metal contain conjugated double bond and alkene. Here you might guess it's the chance for the intramolecular cycloaddition, kind of Diels-Alder reaction here. Here the many bonds, the configuration is different, trans and all are trans here. Here if you consider diene and dienophile, you have to see 1 to 4th carbon have conjugated diene, 8th 9th carbon has COMe, which is electron withdrawing group, that is dienophile. So we rewrite the molecule for our favorable cycloaddition. So we rewrite it and get the desired product. So what really happens is 4-8 bond and 1-9 bond formation is occur. Double bond formed between 2 and 3. Here you should know that the stereochemistry definitely matters here, but it not change during the reaction. Here cycloaddition is syn addition. It's not matter here much, but the configuration change is not occur during the reaction. Here 8-9 bond is trans. It will retain its position during the addition. Hence H and COMe on the same side. Here stereochemistry defined by the cycloaddition, not by the stereochemistry here. The other hydrogen always same in all the products. So we have to always know that we have to answer to the required product. Here you have to learn 2 things. One is if you consider long molecule with many double bond, you consider the cycloaddition. Second thing is during the cycloaddition no change in the stereochemistry occur, as well as the cycloaddition is syn addition. The next question, the starting metal is dibromide with phosphine and sodium hydride. The next step you are using aldehyde and alcohol and NaOH, which is aromatic nature. You are using the base NaH. Here products are given. The products are CC bond formation as well as the cyclization reaction. You have to guess which way the reaction coupled or dimerization occur, or cis dimerization or trans dimerization. So from the reactant you have to guess it's an NAMI reaction involved and CO and Br is eliminated during the course of the reaction. The answer is D. Let us see how. The starting metal contain bromide. You are using the phosphine there. So phosphine, what really it do is it replaces the bromine through SN2 reaction. It's a normal substitution reaction. Don't confuse with that. Just for reference I given there. So phosphine form. Next step you are using the NaH. NaH abstract the proton, anion is formed. So it's typically halide. Halide means positive and negative charge stabilized by itself. The stability comes from the opposite charges, electrostatic attraction. Then the next step you are using the ketone. You have halide, you have ketone. It's called Wittig reaction. So Wittig reaction, what really happens is CO bond becomes CC from the coupled molecule. So new CC bond occurs there. Then the next step, the system contains OH and Br in the same one, as well as possibility of cyclization. Cyclic molecule is more stable than linear. Hence cyclization occur, bromine leaves and ester kind of formation is there. So the answer is clearly D. Here you have to learn 2 things. One is Wittig reagent synthesis. How you synthesize? From halide you have to do phosphine reaction, then you use the base. Second thing is Wittig reaction. Wittig reaction converts CO double bond to CC bond. Then the question number 3. The starting metal is benzyl oxide system with linear, carbonyl and also form in the same molecule. So linear chain contain many functional groups. Then you are using the rhodium and the dichloromethane and reflex conditions. Here the products are given. Products are mostly cyclized. The way of cyclization is the real question. How it cyclized, which group reacts is the matters here. So from the answers you have to guess ring closure is definitely occur, and the intermediate also very much important here. The answer is B. Let us see how. We rewrite the molecule for our preferred reaction. The first step, we expand the benzyl bond in the system. Then you have CO and NH2, you are using the metal catalysis. So there is a chance of carbene formation. N2 is a good leaving group. N2 leaves and carbene form there. The carbene is very much unstable one. It will force itself to stabilize in some way. So what really happens is, normally carbene is electron deficient one, so it always thirsts for the bonding. So oxygen attacks there and it has the negative charge developed on that carbon. Here you have positive charge and negative charge. Positive charge in the carbon can be quenched by benzyl elimination. So benzyl eliminator, the eliminated benzyl can form the new benzyl attack on the negative carbon side. So negative charge quenched by the PHCH2+, which is stable cation, can mobilize or can rearrange to the requirement. So the answer is clearly B, 5-member system with phenyl attached and carbonyl and cyclic ether there. Here you have to learn two things. If you see CO with N2, you have to guess the carbene formation. Then the carbene is very much unstable and electron deficient, so it will stabilize by any way. Here it is cyclization. Then the question number 4, the starting metal is benzene. In the first carbon it has trifluoromethane, which is toluene analog, and you have chlorine, and meta position you have amine attached with long alkene system with 2 electron withdrawing groups. Here reagents are PH2O and reflex. Here they ask you to find the products. Products are mostly cyclized one. The real question is what is the ring size and how the ring is closed. There are many functional groups here, which is chlorine, amine and carbonyl and ether and ethene, the double bond. So from the answers and question you have to guess how the ring is closed. Among the many functional groups, which group is reacted first. The answer is D. Let us see how. The starting metal is benzene, you have nitrogen. So CF3 in the benzene is making the ring too much electron withdrawing. So what really happens is, so nitrogen donates its lone pair to the system. So the charge developed in the ortho position there. So ortho position charge developed. COMe, OMe is a good leaving group. So minus charge attacks, OMe leaves. So the cyclization occurs there. So cyclic product always stable here. So cyclization occurs here. Then the next step, there is a chance of aromaticity. Aromatic compounds are more stable than non-aromatic. So how the aromaticity will be developed? The elimination of H. H eliminated and nitrogen positive charge will be quenched here. So completely driven by aromaticity. Here why that hydrogen is removed? The hydrogen near CF3 is acidic and removed and cation is quenched here. Here you have to learn two things. If you have electron deficient ring, always some system donate the carbon and drive the reaction. Here nitrogen donates and drive the reaction. If there is a possibility of ring closure, it always occur in the any chemical reaction, any conversion. Then the question number 5. The starting metal is bicyclic fused system with alkene and one hydrogen is there. You are using osmium tetroxide and tosyl chloride. Then you are using the base and the alcohol, bulky base and bulky alcohol. Here products are given. Products are epoxide, differ in the hydrogen position, cis and trans, or it's a ring expanded or contracted ketone there. From the question you have to understand the question of reactivity versus stereochemistry is asked here. So you have to guess based on that one. The answer is D. Let us see how. The starting metal is alkene, you are using osmium tetroxide. So what really happened is osmium tetroxide converts CC double bond become diol, 2 OH group formed there. Then the next step you are using the tosyl chloride, one hydroxy group converted into tosyl one. So why this one is interesting? Because the tosyl one may be due to the steric reason attack the left side one, which is highlighted in blue color. So tosylate is formed. Then you are using the base. Base remove the proton and you have the negative charge. So the negative charge anyway it should be quenched. So negative charge forms a double bond and the ring fusion carbon move to the OTS. So OTS is a good leaving group. So OTS leaves, new double bond is formed there as well as new carbon-carbon bond also formed there. So clearly the ring, one ring is contracted, one ring is expanded. So the answer is clearly D. Here you have to learn two things. One is osmium tetroxide. Osmium tetroxide converted double bond into the diol group which is in the cis addition there. So cis addition of alcohol there. Next step, tosylate addition. Tosylate make OH a good leaving group. It makes the system favor for the ring contraction. That's all from this episode. I hope it was easy. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below. Stay tuned for next episode.